Hi everyone, since I'm shipping and launching a lot of SvelteKit apps, I decided to make my component library on my own to make it public for everyone to use. Currently I haven't published very much of these components, but I have already few of them online. So let's jump right in and I will show you what I have so far. So currently I have components, but I have a plan to expand on actionables and endpoints. That will be actionables will be backend triggered components for out database and more. For example, for BetterOut or for AppWrite or Supabase, ready to use components, and endpoints for ready to use API endpoints for common functionalities. So that's only upcoming. Currently I have UI components here. Currently we have 7 of them, but soon will be added more. So currently we have accordion, very basic and simple to use. All you'll need is 6 lines of code, and if you want to make it like if you open one, others close, you can add here is an example how to make it work like this with only few extra lines of code. And here is component tab where we can copy all the code, no dependencies, and or we can copy or download the whole file. So next one is basic buttons, all kinds of colors, and loading one, dynamic one. Usage is really simple, and components you can again copy or download it to use it without any dependencies. Next one we have is a drop down. We can reset here. It's responsive. If it will not have space on the bottom, it will appear on the top. Usage is very simple, and yeah, again you can copy and download without any dependencies. Next one we have is input, very customizable. Basically you can add any attributes as you would in regular input element. And yeah, we have a model that is built upon the new and browser native dialog element. Then we have a toast. I really enjoyed this. I enjoyed it making, and I really like how it looks. It's stacking up. You can hover and it will pause the disappearance for the time you will hover it over. If you remove it, it will disappear eventually. This one is a long one. This is for like 10 seconds. And as you can see, it disappeared. You can remove them if you add a setting to make them closable. So yeah, this is a really nice and cool looking toast we have there. And the last one is toggles. Basically they work as checkboxes. I use them instead of regular checkboxes. The great thing about these components, I make these to work in regular forms. If you add these in your form, it will appear as a regular checkbox. So yeah, that's basically it. And currently the most time I have spent on is to build the whole library interface to add components nice and easy. And currently this is an issue with adding more, so I will build and add more. I hope at least few components a week. So yeah, if you would like to use them, just go to betterkit.dev and head to library section. Oh, one thing I want to mention is obviously that I'm using Tailwind, that's stated here. but I wanted to make sure that you implement and add color variables in your app CSS file, because I'm using in all components variables for colors, because I will show you where I use them, like here, border primary tree, and you can see an example in library's main page. You can just copy it and paste in your app CSS. So yeah, that's basically it, and see you in the next video. Bye.